In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get your tax report from Bybit using an integration with CoinX. It's quick, secure, and makes tax season much easier. Let's get started. First, go to Google and search Bybit tax report and open the result that says Bybit crypto taxes computation from CoinX. Next, scroll down the page and click Create Tax API, then enter CoinX as your partner or integration. Then input the authentication code given, and after verification, you'll be shown the API key and API secret. Make sure to copy both. After that, head over to coinex.com, sign in, and go to the integration section from the dashboard. Now click Add Integration, search for Bybit, and select the exchange. Finally, click on API key, then paste your API key and secret key, and hit Import Now. CoinX will now sync your trades and generate the tax report automatically. And that's how to get your tax report from Bybit with CoinX. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more practical crypto guides. See you next time!